I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Hey, I was good. Back to another one. I see what the fuck it is. Mr. No Flex Zone. So as you can see, I pulled the box out. So we pulled it, sprays down, and pretty much dried up for the most part. Got the box out here in the sun. Letting the metal catch some rays. Two Snaggatooth boxes. Two Snaggatooth boxes. I just took everything off of this one last night on the live. This one gotta get everything put on it. So work in progress. I feel like going and feel like finding a grill. So I'm gonna go to the stove. Go to the stove, get some damn meat, burgers. Probably get some burgers. And what else? Probably get burgers. Fuck, can't even think. Burgers, wings, hot dogs, pork steaks. Come back and throw them on. Probably come wipe this bitch down. And I wipe it down, then wipe the floor down, and I wipe that down and shit. It can go back in the garage, and it must be epoxy time. It must be epoxy time. So yeah, that's the current situation that you can see there. So we finna get ready to go get something to eat, man. I'll catch y'all back on when we get in the truck. Alright, so got a box Chevy pull back in. I was able to find, I got a little punch in those spots where the hose should be. They actually knock right on out. So Landau trim is back in effect, although I did not find them spots on the doors. So if anybody knows how they're supposed to attach to the doors, let me know. There's supposed to be some holes or something. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then on this side, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, Landau, like I said, Landau trim is back in effect. That's for the door, or for the mirror. But yeah, like I said, I didn't see anywhere on the doors where the trim went, the holes. So I'm not exactly sure how it's supposed to go on there. And then also across the top, I was watching State of Steezo video. It was like little knobs. I only need like one, maybe like one little knob on each side, but I don't got none. So I was gonna fabricate the trim to go around the roof, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that now. So if y'all know, or y'all can see on y'all box Chevys how that trim go on there. Like I said, I don't know how I'm gonna get the knobs up there. I might have to just try something, fabricate something so it can hold on top. I'm not sure how it goes around here or along the door, but we do have the holes in the fender, true Landau fender on there. So yeah, it's almost epoxy time. It's almost epoxy time. It's almost epoxy time. It's almost epoxy time.